Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're unlocking the raw muscle behind one of the most powerful rigs of the decade, the 2026 Kenworth T2000. This isn't just a truck, it's a mechanical beast born for dominance. And trust me, once you hear what this machine is packing under the hood, you'll understand why truckers across the world are calling it a true highway king. Let's start with the heart of the monster, the PACCAR MX-13 engine. This 15-liter power unit pumps out a jaw-dropping 565 horsepower and a monstrous 1950 lb-ft of torque. That's not just numbers on a spec sheet. That's power you feel every time. You grip the wheel and pull a full load up a steep grade without breaking a sweat. And it's not just about brute force. The T2000 now comes with a new Gen 18-speed Eaton automated transmission. Gear changes? Silky smooth. Response? Lightning fast. The power delivery is so balanced it almost feels like the truck is reading your mind. Whether you're cruising through mountain passes or overtaking on a tight schedule, the T2000 keeps you ahead of the pack. But power without control is just chaos, and the Kenworth knows it. That's why the 2026 model includes a revamped suspension system, giving you tight road grip, reduced vibrations, and smoother rides no matter what terrain you're facing. Stability and handling feel like you're driving something half its size, without sacrificing the massive strength underneath. Now step into the driver's world. The cabin is completely redesigned. This is where raw power meets cutting-edge tech. A full digital dash, voice-activated controls, advanced navigation, and a new panoramic windshield for unmatched visibility. The driver's seat, air-cooled, heated, fully adjustable, made for 14-hour drives without fatigue. Safety also got a massive upgrade. You're looking at lane assist, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree HD camera system that covers every inch of your surroundings. When you're piloting something this powerful, having a full electronic guardian system makes all the difference. And let's not forget, fuel economy has improved too. Thanks to wind tunnel tested aerodynamics and smarter engine tuning, the T2000 delivers serious efficiency without compromising on torque. More miles, fewer stops, maximum performance. What makes the 2026 Kenworth T2000 so shocking isn't just the power. It's the way that power is delivered with intelligence, precision, and comfort. This truck doesn't just haul loads, and it commands the highway. So if you're a serious driver looking for a serious machine, the Kenworth T2000 isn't just an option, it's the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Because once you experience this kind of performance, going back is not an option. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if the 2026 T2000 blew your mind like it did ours. More powerful machines coming your way. Stay tuned.